Children, good morning. Can you guess what is the name of this bird? This bird is called as a goose. It has webbed foot. This belongs to a waterfowl duck family. The female form is called as a goose. Its male is called as gander. The plural form of goose is geese. When it is as a group, we say it as a flock of geese. In today's class, I am going to teach you a lesson called Flying Together. Before going to the lesson, let me ask you something. What are some of the things your parents and teachers tell you to do on time? Get up in the morning, do the homework, pack your school bag, etc. But sometimes you avoid their words because of your laziness and carelessness and get into trouble. Likewise, in the story, a flock of young geese neglect an elder wise old bird's advice and get into trouble. Let's see the story. Long ago, deep in a forest, stood a very tall tree. Its leafy branches spread out like strong arms. This tree was the home of a flock of wild geese. They felt safe there. One of the geese was a wise old bird. He noticed a small creeper at the foot of the tree. He spoke to the other birds about it. Do you see that creeper? He said to them. Let us destroy it. Why must we destroy it? Asked the geese in surprise. It is so small. What harm can it do? We must destroy it. My friends, replied the wise old birds, that little creeper will soon grow. As it creeps up this tree, it will become thick and strong. What of that? Asked the geese. What harm can a creeper do us? Don't you see, replies the wise bird, with the help of that creeper, it will be possible for someone to climb this tree. A hunter can come up and kill us all. Well, there's no hurry, they replied. The creeper is very small. It would be a pity to destroy it now. Destroy the creeper while it is still young, the old bird advised. Now it is tender, you can cut it easily. Later, it will be hard and you will not be able to cut it. We'll see, answered the birds. But they did not destroy the creeper. They forgot the wise old bird's advice. As the creeper grew, it began winding its way up the tree. Stronger and stronger it became until it was as strong as a thick rope. One morning, when the geese had gone out in search of food, a hunter came to the forest. So, this is where the wild geese live, he said to himself. When they come back in the evening, I shall catch them. The hunter climbed up the tree with the help of the creeper. He got to the top and spread his net there. Then he climbed down and went away. In the evening, the geese returned home. They did not notice the net. As they flew into the tree, they were trapped. They struggled hard to get out, but could not. "Help! Help!" cried the geese. "We are caught in the hunter's net. Oh, what shall we do?" "Don't make a fuss now," said the wise old bird. "Long ago I told you to destroy the creeper, but you did not. Now see what has happened. Tomorrow morning the hunter will come back and kill us all." "We are foolish," wept the birds. "We are very sorry we did not listen to you. Please tell us what to do now." "Then listen carefully," replied the wise bird. "When the hunter comes, you must all pretend to be dead. Just lie still. The hunter will not harm dead birds. He will throw all of us to the ground. It will be then easy for him to climb down, collect the dead birds, and then take home." When the last of us had been thrown down, we must quickly get up and fly away. In the morning, the hunter came to the tree and climbed up. He looked at the geese in the net. "They are all dead," he muttered to himself. He threw them out of the net one by one. The birds lay still until the last one had been thrown down. Then, all at once, they got up, flapped their wings, and flew away. The hunter was taken by surprise. From the top of the tree, he watched all the geese fly away. Dear children, I hope you understood the lesson with the help of the video. Read the lines of the lesson and answer these questions. Dear children, along with your answers, you have to record a video of your reading practice. You may read this lesson or any other story for 2 to 3 minutes. Not only video, you can send voice message also. Thank you, children. If you have any doubts, you can contact me. Thanks for watching.